looks a bit cleaner. I do have a stiff blade. This one's quite stiff. I'll have to look at that. These ones just flop around. This is the starboard prop. This one's also stiff. We need some grease in there. That one's fine. The hub's turning nicely because it's spring loaded to get reverse. I'll spray contact adhesive in here and we'll see whether it'll stick the boot back on. Right, well the anode's loose, so we'll remove it. The heads of the set screws are stripped. We'll have to draw it out. It must be fairly new stock because it's stirred up really easily. First coat on one side. These are M6 and they're socket heads, but that'll do. I just have to slightly ease the holes on this side. Well, that's all nice and firm now. So this is the blade that's stiff. The book says undo the the greasing hole, knock out the pin, and then it should come free. The pin is out, so there we go. Looks like it's just a bit dry. Bit of grease should do. That's the seal on the inboard end. It's still in good condition. It's not sitting in the right place at the moment. Oh, marine grease. This just happens to be the smallest container they had. Right, applied. Let's put the seal on before we forget. There we go. Much better. There's been a bit of wear on the pin. I'll just put it in so the other surface, this side's bearing. So to pop it back in from the side it came out to. Okay, so pin's back in. Put the grease screw in. And then we'll repeat, I think, on the other two on here and 3 on the other side. Now we're going to put propspeed on the props because they're composite. We only need a clear coat, not the primer. Of course, you can't buy it separately. We now have 2 coats of copper-free anti-fouling on the sail drives just above, and propspeed on the props. We need to grease the hub, so there's a wee grease bit just there, so we've done that, and then there's another one just here, so we'll do that one until we see grease appearing. So here's the other hub, so you can see grease coming out, exactly what we want.